Now we will discuss about Johnson VFD error handling and troubleshooting training. Like we will explain how we can resolve error in the Johnson VFD if you are facing any. Here is one alarm electronic thermal relay function pre-alarm. It's TH. So in the VFD there is a thermal relay. Okay, it appears cumulative value of the P9 reach exceed 85% of present level. If reach 100% P9 setting a motor overload trip ETG THM of course. So we need to check there is not large load or sudden acceleration, and we need to check P9 setting is properly, and we can reduce the frequency, we can reduce the load of the operation, and we can set the proper setter parameters in P9. Okay, and it will help if we will follow these few steps. It will help to resolve this error.